What if you could own a modern, architect-designed home without the traditional construction timeline, without the budget overruns, and without the years of waiting? Right now, the prefab home industry is delivering some of the most jaw-dropping residential designs ever built. And in this video, Affordable Homes and Plans is counting down the top 10 prefab homes of the year, starting from number 1 all the way to the very last reveal. These are not concepts. These are not renders. These are real homes, built and delivered, that are redefining what affordable, beautiful, and intelligent housing looks like in 2025. Stay until the very end, because the final home on this list is one that almost defies categorization entirely. If you are new here, this channel covers the best in residential design, real construction costs, and home plans that actually work for real budgets. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a breakdown. Now let us get into the countdown. Number 1. The Lodge by Loyal Prefabs. At the top of this list is a prefab home that does something very few in this category manage to pull off. It feels genuinely custom. The Lodge by Loyal Prefabs is a 752 square foot, 1-bedroom plus loft home that transcends the typical prefab formula in almost every way, both inside and out. The exterior features warm wood siding paired with black-framed oversized windows that draw natural light deep into the living space, the kitchen, and the main bedroom. It is a combination that reads as intentional and refined rather than modular and mass-produced. Step inside, and the feeling continues. High ceilings open the space up dramatically. Wood floors, wood ceilings, and wood walls wrap the interior in warmth that most prefab homes simply cannot replicate at this price point. What pushes the Lodge further up this list is a design decision that is rare in prefab construction. The home is built to be expanded. If a buyer needs more space down the road, the Lodge accommodates additions without compromising the original design language. That means you can enter at a smaller footprint and grow into the home over time, which is a genuinely smart value proposition. For a first-time buyer, or a couple planning ahead, the Lodge starts at $365,000 Canadian dollars, which works out to approximately $270,000 USD, and it is currently available in both Canada and the United States. Number 2, the DQ Tower. If there is one home on this list that genuinely challenges what a prefab home is supposed to look like, it is the DQ Tower. Every other prefab home on this list is horizontal. The DQ Tower sits vertically, and that single design decision changes everything. With a footprint of just 13 feet by just under 14 feet, the DQ Tower is designed for tight urban lots, ADU applications, and holiday home setups where land is limited, but the desire for quality is not. It delivers 420 square feet of usable living space across 3 full floors and ships in a single piece, which dramatically simplifies the installation process. The ground floor holds a living room, a kitchenette, and a half bath. The second floor delivers a bedroom and a full bathroom. The top floor is the main bedroom, finished with almost a full wall of windows that frames the sky and makes the space feel far larger than the floor area suggests. The exterior is just as compelling, with an aluminum facade combining black, gray, and dark gray metal panels in different textures and designs for a look that is genuinely architectural. The DQ Tower has a base price of 150,000 euros, which converts to approximately 176,000 USD or 241,000 Canadian dollars. Number 3, the HO5 by Hanamobo. The number 3 spot goes to a home that blurs the line between prefab and custom luxury. The HO5 by Hanamobo is a 1,600 square foot steel-built prefab home with a layout and finish quality that competes directly with site-built homes at significantly higher price points. The standout feature of the HO5 is the wall of windows that runs the entire front of the home. It is the kind of architectural gesture that normally costs a premium in site-built construction. But because Hanamobo builds in a controlled factory environment, it is a standard offering. The interior layout is open concept with 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. The living room, dining room, and kitchen run the full length of the front, anchored by that window wall, and filled with natural light at every hour of the day. The HO5 is built with steel, which gives it a structural durability advantage over timber-framed alternatives. And Hanamobo will deliver all the way out to Hawaii, which is notable because very few prefab manufacturers service that market. The HO5 has a starting price of approximately 486,000 USD or 572,000 Canadian dollars. Number 4, the Grove by Waiver Room. The 4th spot on this list belongs to a home that proves you do not need to spend 6 figures on design to get a result that looks like you did. The Grove by Waiver Room is a steel frame prefab home from a Korean manufacturer that is actively expanding into international markets, including the United States, and it deserves serious attention. What makes the Grove stand out is the level of design intelligence applied to a budget-conscious product. The offset roofline gives the exterior a custom, considered appearance. Exterior light fixtures are placed with purpose. Awnings add both shade performance and visual layering. These are the kinds of details that usually get value engineered out of affordable builds, but Waiver Room has kept them in, and the result is a home that presents far above its price point. The Grove was listed at $60,000 USD at the time of production. It is important to note that this price does not include international shipping costs, which will vary significantly depending on destination. For buyers in the US market, total landed cost will be higher, and that should be factored into any budget planning. Number 5, the Sunnyside by Ritz-Craft. At number 5 is the largest rancher-style home on this list, and one of the most practical family-oriented prefabs available in the American market. The Sunnyside by Ritz-Craft measures 30 feet wide by 58 feet long for a total footprint of 1,748 square feet, and it is built by a company with over 65 years of prefab manufacturing experience and more than 100,000 homes delivered. The layout is designed for how families actually live. 3 bedrooms are distributed across the plan with the master suite on one end and the remaining bedrooms on the other, which opens up the center of the home for an expansive kitchen and living area. The open floor plan in the middle avoids the narrow corridor feeling that plagues many single-story homes at this scale. The Sunnyside is designed to sit on a basement, which is a smart planning decision because it effectively doubles the usable square footage of the home without adding to the above-grade footprint. Any flex space, storage, or additional rooms that the base layout does not include can be located below grade, giving buyers a high degree of customization within a standardized product. Number 6. The Coda Classic number 6 is a home that represents a genuine evolution within its own brand. The Coda Classic introduces a peaked roof to a product line that previously worked within a different design language. And the result is a home that opens up an entirely new buyer profile for the manufacturer. Built onto steel-reinforced timber frame, the Coda Classic is described as uniting modern modular construction with natural warmth and lasting quality. It delivers 555 square feet of usable space with 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, a loft, and notably, a sauna, which is a feature that sits far outside the typical prefab offering at this size and price point. The exterior is where this home earns its place on this list. Viewed from the end, the combination of the steep roof peak, dark exterior siding, covered porch, and accent lighting creates a silhouette that reads as intentionally architectural. It does not look like a modular unit. It looks like a home that was designed with real care for how it sits in a landscape. The Coda Classic starts at 97,900 euros, which is approximately 160,000 USD or 160,000 Canadian dollars. Number 7. The Terrace 900 by Aura Dwellings at number 7 is the most inventive 2-story prefab configuration on this list, where most 2-story prefab homes simply stack one box directly on top of another. The Terrace 900 by Aura Dwellings sets its 2 volumes perpendicular to each other, and that single design decision produces something that looks genuinely original. The bottom section measures 16 feet wide by 24 feet long for 384 square feet at grade, housing the kitchen, the main living space, and a half bath. The upper volume sits perpendicular and measures 16 feet by 36 feet for 576 square feet, containing both bedrooms and the full bathroom. Because the upper floor extends beyond the lower floor's footprint, it creates a covered outdoor porch directly off the living room at ground level. The roof of the upper volume functions as a usable rooftop deck, which adds significant outdoor living area without consuming any additional land. The Terrace 900 is based in Austin, Texas, and is available in the United States market. For buyers looking for a 2-story prefab with genuine architectural distinction and practical outdoor living built into the design, this is one of the strongest options currently available. Number 8. The Mill Home 60 number 8 on this list hails from the Netherlands and delivers one of the most distinctive exterior designs of the year in a 60 square meter, or 645 square foot, 2-story package. The Mill Home 60 is a home that earns attention from the street before anyone ever steps inside. The facade is a deliberate composition of a black front elevation combined with natural wood side cladding and black accent detailing. The result is a 2-tone exterior that has genuine visual tension and reads as architectural rather than prefabricated. The 2-story configuration addresses a very real challenge for buyers who need living space but have a constrained footprint to work with. The main floor holds the kitchen, a half bath, and a living room anchored by large windows and a patio door that opens to the exterior. The upper floor contains a bedroom, a flex room that can serve as a second bedroom or home office, and the second half bath. The Mill Home 60 currently starts at 189,000 euros, which works out to approximately 305,000 Canadian dollars or 222,000 USD. Number 9. The Barossa by AJC Modular coming in at number 9 is a well-rounded prefab from the Australian market that combines a clean modern aesthetic with a layout that maximizes every square foot. The Barossa by AJC Modular is described as the ultimate in spacious modular living for buyers who refuse to compromise on comfort or style, and at its price point, that claim holds up. At 720 square feet, the Barossa delivers a front living room, a kitchen, a dedicated laundry room, and 2 mirror image bedrooms at the rear of the plan. The mirrored bedroom layout is a smart planning choice because it creates complete symmetry in the private zone of the home, which simplifies construction and keeps costs controlled without sacrificing the feel of a custom layout. The exterior features a shed roof and generous window placement for consistent natural light throughout. AJC Modular currently delivers across Australia, and there are indications that expansion into additional markets is in development. Pricing for the Barossa starts at 151,600 Australian dollars, which converts to approximately 100,000 USD, making it one of the strongest value propositions on this entire list for buyers in the Australian market. Number 10. The A-Frame Modular Peak by Zook Cabins. Closing out this countdown at number 10 is a home that stopped foot traffic at one of the largest building trade shows of the year. The A-Frame Modular Peak by Zook Cabins is a modular home that ships in 3 pieces and delivers a visual impact that most prefab homes at any price point cannot match. The assembly logic is intuitive. 2 modules form the base level with a hinged roof connection, and a third module spans the rear of the upper level to create the main bedroom suite. The result is a true A-frame silhouette that is accented with a textured black metal roof, black framed windows, and Lunawood siding. A durable, thermally modified timber product with a distinctive appearance and strong weather resistance credentials. The A-Frame Modular Peak is available in 3 size configurations. The middle option, which was the version displayed at the trade show, has a 35 by 48 foot footprint for a total of 1,880 square feet across 2 floors. The main level delivers an open-plan kitchen, living and dining space along with a bedroom and bathroom. The upper level is a full bedroom suite. The A-Frame Modular Peak is available across the United States, with the exception of Alaska and Hawaii. That is the full countdown of the top 10 prefab homes of the year, from the wide-format family rancher all the way up to the lodge. A home that earns its #1 position through a combination of design quality, spatial warmth, and long-term flexibility that no other prefab on this list can match. Every one of these homes proves that prefab construction in 2025 is not a compromise. It is a legitimate design choice that is producing some of the most interesting residential architecture being built anywhere in the world right now. If you want to go deeper on any of these homes or explore more affordable house plans and designs, Affordable Homes and Plans has you covered. Subscribe, leave a comment below telling us which of these 10 homes you would choose and why, and check out the next video on screen now. We will see you there.